You've probably heard a lot about AI business lately. AI for marketing, AI for sales, AI for customer follow-up, AI for content. AI for pretty much everything. And somewhere in the conversation, you may have heard the name YTT AI. So today, let's clear it up. What is YTT AI? Welcome to YTT AI Explained. The series where we take business AI, consulting, marketing, sales, and all the jargon that usually comes with it and make it a whole lot easier to understand. Here is the simplest way to say it. YTT AI is an AI consulting company for B2B businesses. We help companies figure out how AI can actually work inside their business, especially in two areas where many companies feel pressure right now: marketing conversion and sales growth. Now, that sounds like a serious sentence, so let's make it more real. Imagine a B2B manufacturing company. Let's call the owner Alex. Alex has a real factory, solid products, years of experience, and a sales team that works hard every day. The company has a website, maybe a LinkedIn page, maybe some SEO articles, maybe a few videos, and of course, plenty of product catalogs and customer floors sitting in different floors. Alex had also started using AI. The marketing team using AI to write posts, the sales team using AI to draft a reply, someone using AI to summarize meeting. At first, it feels like a nice upgrade. The work gets a little faster, the writing gets a little smoother, and everyone feels the company is finally doing AI. But after a while, Alex noticed that something. The business itself has not really changed. The website is still not explaining the company's value clearly enough. The content is active, but not always helping sales. Customer information is still scattered across emails, chats, spend sheets, and people's memory. Sales follow-up still depend on whether one salesperson remembers the real detail at the right time. That is the cap. YTT AI built to solve because using AI tools is one thing. Building an AI-supported business workflow is something else. Thinking about it in the old way, a company may have a lot of good information, but it's left everywhere. Product details in one floor, customer questions are in another place. Sales notes are in someone's chat history, maybe Slack, maybe Microsoft Teams. Marketing ideas are in the content calendar that may not be connected to where buyer actually asks. Everybody is working, but the business does not have one clear working system. YTT AI helps companies move from the scattered way of working into a more connected way of working. We do not start by saying, here is a tool, go use it. We start with the business itself. What does the company sell? Who is the buyer? What does the buyer need to understand before they trust the company? Where does the sales process slow down? What information should the team stop searching for and start using more consistently? Once those questions are clear, AI becomes much more useful. It is no longer just a writing shortcut or a shiny tool. It has become part of how the company explains itself. Manage customer information, follow up with opportunities, and supports the sales team. Let's start with marketing conversation. A lot of B2B companies thinking marketing means is visible. Post more, publish more, make sure the brand looks active, and sure, visibility matters. But in B2B, visibility alone does not pay the bill. The real job of marketing is to help the right buyer understand the companies faster. For X company, that may mean turning product information into content that answers the real buyer questions. It may mean make the website less like a factory introduction and more like a buyer-friendly explanation of value. It may mean using SEO content to attract the right kind of customer, not just more traffic. This is where YTT AI's consulting work becomes practical. We help companies use AI to organize brand messaging, product knowledge, customer questions, and content workflows. so marketing can support sales instead of sitting in the separate world. Now, let's look at sales growth. B2B sales usually take time. A customer asks about a product, a company's operation, talks to their teams, asks for a counter, disappears for a bit, and comes back with another question. That is normal. The problem is that many companies manage this process with scattered notes and personal memory. So when a customer comes back after 3 weeks, the salesperson may need to dig through the old message just to remember what happened. The manager may not say which opportunities are moving and which ones are quickly stuck. The company may have valuable customer information, but it is not organized in a way the team can actually use. This is where YTT AI brings AI into the sales workflow. One important product in these areas is YTT AI Sales Master. It helps sales team organize customer information, product knowledge, follow up the records, and the sales process in more structured way. The point is not to make salespeople fill out more forms. The point is to help the team see the customer context more clear and follow up with more confidence. And this is important. YTT AI Sales Master is not a product, but YTT AI is not just a product company. The consulting work around the product matters a lot. Every business has its own products, buyers, sales circle, and team habits. If AI does not fit those reality, people may try it for a while and quickly go back to the old way. YTT AI focuses on marketing AI fit the company's real workflow, so the team can actually use it daily work. So when we say AI consulting, we do not mean giving a lot of presentation about how AI powerful it is. Most business owners really know AI is powerful. The harder part is knowing where to start, what to change first, and how make AI useful for the team that has to use it every day. YTT AI, an AI consulting company for B2B business. We help companies bring AI into real business workflows, especially in marketing conversation and sales growth. On the marketing side, we help companies make their message clear and their content more useful for buyers. On the sales side, we help companies organize customer information, product knowledge, follow-up, and the sales process. And with tools like YTT AI Sales Master, that consulting work can become part of teams' actually daily process. So, what is YTT AI? YTT AI helps B2B companies move AI from something people are testing to something the business can actually use, not just for better content, not just for smart sales message, but for a clear, more contented way to grow. That is YTT AI. That is YTT AI explained. So if you want AI help your business better and better, please contact us. That's YTT AI to help you use AI to improve your business better and better.